Can a tiny mini excavator finish all yard and farm work just by swapping attachments? Today, we're covering 5 practical tools to boost your machine's performance. First, the standard digging bucket. Built with tough wear-resistant teeth, it handles digging, sand-holing, and backfilling, essential for all daily earth-moving jobs. Next, the Ripper tooth. This sharp, single tooth easily breaks compact clay, frozen soil, and rocky ground that regular buckets struggle with, cutting down your working time greatly. Third, the narrow trenching bucket. Its slam shape digs clean trenches for pipelines, cables, and fence holes without ruining lawns, perfect for delicate yard renovations. Then the landscape rake, a gardener's must-have. It clears weeds, stones, and dead branches, levels ground, and shapes slopes to create a neat, beautiful yard quickly. Last, the log grapple. Its sturdy jaws firmly hold timber, branches, and farm waste, ideal for moving firewood, stacking logs, and hiding orchard litter without dropping cargo. Swap these 5 attachments at will. A single mini excavator handles various construction tasks. Follow us for more mini excavator accessory guides and exclusive offers.